video, I'm going to show you how to migrate an existing sending domain from Another ESP into Tiny Email using AI traffic control. If you've been sending emails from tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, or Beehive, you already have a history of engaged contacts. You don't want to lose that by starting from zero. AI traffic control helps you bring that domain over quickly while protecting your reputation and keeping your deliverability strong during the switch. To get started, go to the AI traffic control tab in the top navigation. On this page, you'll see the traffic trends and performance by provider. In the top right corner, click on the green Activate AI Traffic Control button. A window called Grow Your Audience will appear with two options: import new subscribers and re-engage subscribers. Because we're migrating from Another ESP, choose Import New Subscribers. Next, you'll see the Select Audiences to Import screen. Use the list or search bar to find the audiences you brought in from your previous ESP. Bring in subscribers who have clicked in the last 12 months, subscribers who have opened in the last 6 months, non-engaged subscribers who have no activity in the last 12 months. Order them from clickers first, and then openers, and then non-engaged. When you're done, click Confirm to move on. You'll now be on the Create AI Traffic Control screen. In the Activate Segment section, choose Opened in the last X days, and then set the level of engagement you would like to see from the subscribers to stay in your email list. For example, if they've opened an email in the last 30 days. This active segment is what defines who stays in your mailing list after AI traffic control is complete and working throughout your entire list. In the Setup section, give your warmup a clear name like ESP Migration Warmup. For warmup type, select Migration of Existing Domain. Because this domain already has sending history, the AI can start at higher volumes, typically around 1,000 to 5,000 emails per day, and ramp up quickly as performance stays healthy. Most domains reach full scale in about 10 days. In real-world migrations, our AI successfully moves senders to over 1 million emails per send in 10 days or less. Review your volume distribution across Gmail, Microsoft, Yahoo, and Apple and other providers. Adjust if you need to, then click Save. Now that your AI traffic control is set up for this migrated domain, you need to add it to the campaign so it can start working. During the campaign creation, when you reach the Select Your Audience screen, select the AI Traffic Control tab at the top, and then check the checkbox next to the AI Traffic Control we set up in the previous step. Don't forget to save the changes or finish the campaign schedule. AI Traffic Control is in charge and ready to serve. And here's a helpful shortcut. To avoid doing this each time you schedule a campaign, you can clone a previous campaign that was already using AI Traffic Control. When you clone it, it keeps all the pre-selected audiences. After you save, you'll go back to the AI Traffic Control page. You'll see the migration listed with its name, start date, and status. As you send, the charts on this page will show how your volume and open rates are evolving across each provider. Behind the scenes, AI Traffic Control checks your opens, clicks, and spam signals every day. If things look good, it increases your volume. If anything drops, it slows down to protect your domain reputation and maintain inboxing. And that is how you migrate an existing sending domain from Another ESP using AI traffic control and Tiny Email. If you want to see this in action, you can sign up and try Tiny Email free using the link in the description, and we'll catch you next time.